Hello guys, again you are welcome to my channel Literature Classes, and this is Abhilasha. Now we are going to read a literary topic, that is epistolary novel. Epistolary novel, guys, actually it was said to be founded by James Howell. James Howell was the founder of this form of novel. So, the first novel, which was considered as the first novel of epistolary desire, that was the Spanish Prison of Love, written by Diego de Son in 1485. Guys, this there were lots of novels inserted in letters, and was from these inserted letters the novels were created. So that's why this the novel is called epistolary novel. So this was the first novel is to be exposed in this genre, was very famous by a lady writer, that was Afra Bain. Afra Bain wrote a famous work, Love Letters Between a Man and His Sister. This was the a work by Afra Bain that was came into 3 volumes in 1684, 1685 and 1687. After that the epistolary novel was made famous by a writer, that is Samuel Richardson. Samuel Richardson's Pamela was very much famous, and it was published in 1740. Actually, this Pamela was came into several letters, from letter 1 to approximate there were 32 or 35 letters around. So, guys, what are the detailed description of epistolary novel? Let's move on to this. So, the word epistolary is derived from a Greek word epistle, yeah, epistole you can say, which means a letter. एपिस्टोलरी जो वर्ड है वो कहाँ से, ग्रीक और लैटिन वर्ड से लिया गया, दैट एपिस्टोल से, विच मीन्स अ लेटर, जिसका मतलब क्या है, लेटर. द एपिस्टोलरी नॉवेल्स आर रिटन इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लेटर्स. epistolary novels are written in the form of novels, means there were several letters which are included in one book, that is called epistolary novel. Usually the source of these epistolary novels are diary entries, newspaper clippings, or any other documents such as recordings, radio, vlogs, and emails are also used for epistolary novels. So usually the source of these epistolary novels, meaning is that there are the source of these epistolary novels, मतलब इसके जो source हैं epistolary novels के जो source हैं वो क्या क्या है, डायरी एंट्रीज है, न्यूज़पेपर क्लिपिंग्स हैं, एनी अदर डॉक्यूमेंट्स. एपिस्टोलरी नॉवल कहाँ से लिए जाते हैं, लेटर से, न्यूज़पेपर क्लिपिंग से, डायरी एंट्रीज, जो लोग कुछ लोग क्या करते हैं डायरी लिखते हैं, सो वहाँ से, ठीक है, या कुछ इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइसेस होती हैं सच एज रिकॉर्डिंग्स, रेडियो, व्लॉग्स एंड ईमेल्स. ये भी क्या है, हमारे एपिस्टोलरी नॉवल के सोर्सेज हैं. व्लॉग्स एंड ईमेल्स आर ऑल्सो यूज फॉर एपिस्टोलरी नॉवल. सो क्या है, ये भी हमारे क्या है, एपिस्टोलरी नॉवल के सोर्सेज हैं. द एपिस्टोलरी नॉवेल्स आर ऑल्सो कॉल्ड नॉवेल्स ऑफ लेटर्स, और ये एपिस्टोलरी नॉवल इज ऑल्सो नोन एज नॉवेल्स ऑफ लेटर्स. इसको नॉवेल ऑफ लेटर्स भी कहा जाता है, बिकॉज द नरेशन टेक्स प्लेस इन द फॉर्म ऑफ लेटर्स. क्योंकि नरेशन कैसे होता है, इसका प्लॉट कंस्ट्रक्शन किस तरह से होता है, लेटर्स के फॉर्म में होता है. अ मॉडर्न एपिस्टोलरी इंक्लूड्स emails और टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस एज देयर सोर्सेज. और जो मॉडर्न एपिस्टोलरी नॉवेल्स हैं उसमें क्या क्या आता है, ईमेल्स भी होते हैं, टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस भी होते हैं एज देयर सोर्स. इनके क्या क्या सोर्सेज हो सकते हैं? टेक्निकल सोर्सेज होते हैं, ईमेल्स या टेक्स्ट मैसेजेस भी इसके सोर्स हो सकते हैं. There are some major examples of epistolary novel. Okay, so guys, see the examples of or see the important novels of epistolary Zaire. So, Pamela. Pamela was written in 1740 by Samuel Richardson. Guys, this Pamela was published in the form of letters. There were several letters from letter first to approximately 32 letters are there. In the Pamela was a maid servant, was a girl maid servant of Mr. B. Mr. B was trying to harass टू पामेला. पामेला को क्या करता है? हैरस करने की कोशिश करता है, उसको परेशान करता है. सो पामेला इज कंटिन्यूसली राइटिंग लेटर्स टू her parents and give the information about the harassment of Mr. B. There were also a lady, that is Lady B. She was the owner, but when she died, after that Pamela's suffering started. So all the conversation which Pamela does, that was through a letters, and so that's why the novel Pamela was published in the form of letters. Same way, Shamila, this was the sequel of Pamela, was published in 1741 by Henry Fielding, the great novelist of Four Wheels of English novelist. Clarissa 1740 to 48 means it was published in 1740 to 48 by Samuel Richardson. The Citizen of the World in 1760 by Oliver Goldsmith. Evelina was published in 1788 by Fanny Burney. Frankenstein 1818 by Mary Shelley. Moonstone 1868 by Vicky Collins. Then Three Guineas in 1938 by Virginia Woolf. Then the last one is Herzog. In 1964 it was published and by Saul Bellow. So these were some important novels of epistolary Zaire. So guys, this was epistolary novel. I have told you the definition that this word was derived from Greek and Latin word epistole, which means letter. So the epistolary novels are written in the form of letter. The novel are same. The story as the other form of novel is written same. The story is the same, but the publication and the source is different. Means the source of these novels are letters, or newspaper clippings, diary entries, or some technical sources like recordings, vlogs, emails, text messages, or etc., whatever the sources find by the writer. So these were some epistolary novels, and I have discussed the famous novels also. There were several novels written, but the important ones which are asked in the paper I told you. So I have discussed each and everything. So that's it for this video. See you soon in the next video. Till then, keep studying and have fun with literature. Thank you.